Hi, my name is Chloe, and I'm the owner at Hummus Republic here in Fresno. We have 2 locations, one in downtown Fresno and one on Palm and Neese. It's a fast casual Mediterranean restaurant, and what we focus on is bringing healthy meals to the community. So it's a way to build your own, and it's good for like picky eaters. You're able to choose what you want on the meal, and it's just a really good option for the community. We hope to grow to serve the community further. Right now we have 2 locations in Fresno, and I do want to grow throughout the Central Valley. Young people would love to work at Hummus Republic because it is somewhere that you can really just start, put your foot in the door, and really learn how to work with customers, focus on like time management, detail when it comes to to-go orders, when it comes to helping. It really just gives a sort of framework to work anywhere. So I really like to help the youth in our community because it's able to shape, and I kind of view all of the youth as my own children. I have 3 kids myself, and when we have a young person come in, I really want to show them, hey, this is how you work in a job, this is how you work with customers, this is how you treat people. And so it really opens that door of opportunity to them because they need somewhere to start. I found Workforce Connection actually through my family. Somebody had recommended that if we needed help as far as staffing, that we should reach out to Mo. And so I reached out to her personally because I actually knew her, and found out that it's going to be a great connection where we could bring in people to our business and really like help grow. We enjoy working with Workforce Connection because they're able to recruit people who actually do want to work for us. They kind of do that hard part for us, so they introduce us to participants that are interested in working, and they really do cut out that hard part for us, and we're able to kind of like train them together, work with them together. And so it really like, hey, this person was late today, and I contact them and tell them, hey, this is what's going on with this person. And so they're really able to like support us essentially. One of the success stories we had was one of the participants that we ended up landing into a leadership role, and she really thrived with us pretty much from the beginning. Ultimately, she already had some experience in the food industry and really grew, and what we had to do was really figure out what was going on in her life in order to help her thrive. One of the things that we aided her with was time management. She became really successful after we really figured out what was the root cause of what was going on in her life. And so she ultimately grew into a leadership role with us, and she really thrived in that position, and we're just so happy to have her. I currently am still using them. I currently still have staff from Workforce Connection. They've provided nothing but quality candidates to us, and yes, I have recommended them to other businesses who are currently using them too. It's been a great relationship with Workforce Connection. I would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award. I'd like to thank Monisha for nominating us. I really appreciate her tenacity in helping us find quality clients, and I love that she likes to come and visit me and eat, so thank you so much.